Done. I did 3 outside in sutures. Those are right there. Ethelbound 2.0 sutures outside in using spinal needles. Very easy. Using a PDS to shove. So there they are. Inside out sutures. Sorry, outside in. And then I did all inside, way deep inside. I have fast fix, Smith & Nephew fast fix way in there. I'll tell you that I have a lot more confidence in the outside in sutures because I tied these over the capsule. Very hard for them to pull out, whereas all inside sutures, sometimes they do fail. So when I take care of fighters with bucket handle tears, I make sure I add some of these outside in sutures so that it's a bulletproof type of repair. So that's it. Bucket handle medial meniscus tear, Dr. Mora at Restore in Orange. Thank you so much for watching.